How to delete all of your posts on Facebook at once. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your posts on Facebook at once. Now the process itself is simple. Simply open up your Facebook application and make sure you're logged into your account. Next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. Once there, you'll be headed into settings. Under settings you want to scroll down until you find the option activity log. You'll find it under the your information option. Simply tap on activity log, and once on activity log you can see the very first option, your activity across Facebook. Simply tap on it. Under it you can see comments and reaction and post. You want to simply tap on manage post option. Once you tap on manage post, what you want to do is here you'll be able to view all your posts and interactions and such. Here let it load up. Once it loads up you want to tap on filters option. Once you tap on filters, tap on categories, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on your post, check-ins, photos and videos section. Once you do so, all your posts, shared posts and uploaded posts will be right here. Right, what you want to do is you want to select the all option that you can see at the left hand side of the screen at the top. You want to select all option, check mark it, and then simply tap on recycle bin option. Once you tap on recycle bin option, it'll be moved to your recycle bin and all your posts will be deleted. So this way you can delete all your posts at once on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.